My dear brothers and sisters, as I said in the introduction, today I got the feast of Mary, Mother of the Church. And this feast was instituted by the Holy Father, Pope Francis, in 2018. You may wonder why it was so late instituted. Well, I don't have any answer for that question. Yesterday we had the feast of Pentecost, the birth of the church. And the Holy Father rightly thought that the church which is just born, whose nation needs a protector. And there's no better protector than, of course, Our Lady. So the Holy Father said the day following Pentecost, the Monday, should be the feast of Mary, the mother of the church. Today's second reading, the Gospel passage speaks about this. We heard in the Gospel passage at the foot of the cross were his mother Mary and two others and a disciple whom he loved, or who loved Jesus very much. And seeing them, Christ felt the church which will be born soon needs a protector. And therefore he told his mother, Mary, John, this is your son. And to John he said, this is your mother. Now, John is a historical figure, as we all know, but he represents every one of us, all men, women, children, everyone throughout the world who are the believers. So on that day, in a way, Jesus gave to us Mary as the protector and mother of the church. Today there are two readings. So the first, we have the option, the first on Genesis and the second from the Acts of the Apostles. The Acts of the Apostles shows us how, in a way, Mary protects the early church. Yesterday we read the account of the Pentecost, where she herself was present when the Holy Spirit came upon the 11 apostles, and thus on that day the church was formed, and Mary was there, in a way, witnessing to the foundation of the church. The next passage we have is, of course, when the apostles decide, now whom do we choose to replace Judas? And they prayed together, asking for inspiration. Mary is there guiding the apostles through the Holy Spirit whom they should choose. And therefore, Mary has a rightful place in the church, that she protects and guides the church. Today especially we require her protection, especially today when the students have begun the schools, despite the rising COVID cases. So let's entrust all the children of the schools throughout here and everywhere for her protection. We also pray for all of us that we too in today's world face a lot of difficulties in bringing up children, where they require in a way protector, a guide who will guide them along the way. There's no other better person besides us. Parents and siblings, and no other better person than Mary. So let's entrust all our cares, all our worries, our difficulties to her. And we believe that as we pray in the memoriale, when we come to her, she never leaves us unattended.